Alright guys, I'm gonna go through a quick tour of our new spot here for our makerspace. I'm gonna interrupt with a quick explanation of this video. I'm in the process of moving my community makerspace and thought I would document the moving and setting up of a makerspace. I'll organize these videos into a separate playlist from my project videos. In this video, I simply wanted to do a quick walkthrough of our new space and explain the vision. I'm gonna apologize ahead of time for the dizzying video. This new vlogging style is new to me. Alright, enjoy the video, and if you have any specific questions on building or running a makerspace or of any of the machine choices, leave them in the comments below. So here I just walked in through the door and we have our main area. Not much is set up yet, and I'm gonna be spending the next week or so trying to get everything basically set up. So the vision I have in mind here is I always like sort of the central work table where the community could meet and just work on their projects. So we have these tables here that kind of they were left here, so we're gonna use them. Issue is they kind of move around a lot, so I'm probably gonna have to come up with a solution so when we sit it doesn't move. But anyway, so big central work area here, and then here I'm seeing the crafting area, so sewing machines, vinyl cutters, maybe t-shirt press here. And over here I'm envisioning the electronics area, so I'm gonna set that up. I've got some wood there to build some shelves, and we'll have all the electronic tools there, soldering stations and all your Arduino stuff and so on. And then we've got our tool here with our tool drawer with all our tools. So that'll be there. It's kind of an interesting situation because we don't have the whole building, so I'm gonna walk through here. I gotta figure out what to do with all these jewelry boxes there. But we have our 3D printing room and laser room is going to be in here. So these tables here are supposed to be removed, but we've got our laser, we got our bamboos, also picked up a couple bamboo A1 minis. I think I'm also gonna throw our little carbide CNC mill here. I'm not sure what these cups are doing here. But yeah, so this is gonna be our 3D printing, laser, and like small CNC room. For now, plans may change. You can see our full spectrum laser there. I'm also thinking of getting another one. And then, so this area here is actually not ours at the moment. And then our space continues down in the basement. So let me just take you down there. I've done quite a bit of cleanup work here. Got some filters. Let me turn this off so you can hear me a little better. A little air purifier here. Turn on the light. There we go. Okay, so here's our space. We also have access to this one room in the basement, and this is where I'm gonna put the wood shop. So wood shop in our little metal area here as well, or a little metal shop. So here we've got the workbenches set up and a little miter saw station that I've built. Just kind of needed that so I can start actually building stuff. But here, I don't know, I'm still trying to figure out the plan for here, but I'm thinking, woodworking tools maybe on this side, and then possibly like our metal mill and lathe here where I have the shelves right now. Just kind of had to throw up a shelf to just get stuff out of the way because a couple days ago you couldn't even walk through here. Got a sink area there. But yeah, so this is the plan. I've got to set up a bunch of the equipment here, the woodworking tools, and some of the metal tools. So I'm gonna spend the next few days doing that, and I'll come back with an update.